So hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel everyone, and I welcome you to the post market analysis of Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty. And guys, please do watch the video till end because we are going to thoroughly analyze the Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty so that you can anticipate what are the expectations for the market for the upcoming week. And apart from them, I am also going to share two important stocks for Monday's trading, so please do watch the video till end. So as we talked yesterday, that this is the important support level on the daily basis for the Nifty 50, and today you can see Nifty 50 has tried to go below that, but again consolidated about that level. This level is a very important support level, which is near 15,660s level, and I had told you that it is a probability that market might go downside on that direction, but you can see the market again consolidated from that area, and today we have a day of consolidation. Market has consolidated almost for the all long day and ended up making a indecision candle on the daily time frame. As you can see today, a perfect indecision candle has been made by the market. So yeah, definitely on the Monday opening, the way wherever market opens without much gap up or much gap down, that's the direction market is going to follow, and we can take a swing trade accordingly. That's we are very clear about. And if we look at the weekly chart, because as today weekly candle is also completed, you can see last week on the last Friday I had told you that we need a confirmation for a bear movement, and today you can see that market has definitely given us a closing below the previous closing, which is giving us a confirmation for a bear movement definitely in the market. But the thing is that Nifty 50 is standing right at its support on the daily basis. That's why it is important to watch out that if we see a daily closing below that level of 15,660s daily closing I'm talking about, if we see there, then this bear movement which has been indicated on the weekly chart will be confirmed, and market will start moving in that direction until unless market reaches this particular support level, which is 200 points below that level, right? So this is the anticipation for the market, and these are the expectations for the market for the upcoming week. But remember the level 15,660s to, I think you can say that level starting from 15,640 to 15,680. So we need a closing below this range on a daily basis, and after that we'll be seeing a movement, or if to be more appropriate, most probably after that we'll be seeing a movement towards this support level. This is what expectations and this is what charts are showing to us for now, right? Apart from that, if I'll show you the daily movement, the movement for today, you'll see that all those 6 candles in a single range has been made by the market. So yeah, that it was a good day for the scalpers. You can see indecision on the hourly basis, you should have taken confirmation on the 15 or 5-minute candle, and then you could have easily took the long trade, right? Here you can see indecision, confirmation, and then up trade, and then you can see all day market was just consolidating. So yeah, I know today not much profit anyhow, it does not matter. You can see that market has given us a gap down opening. After that market has taken support on this level, and you can see the consolidation after that. That is what happened in the market today. So yeah, not much movement, but definitely for the upcoming week, our view is very clear. I am telling you on the daily basis, look out for the breakout below 15,640 to 680. That's the range. If market gives us a closing below that, then definitely we are waiting for a good bear move, right? If not, market takes support from here, then we'll be seeing an upside movement towards, again, market will try to go and make a new all-time high. So let's see what happens, but we are very clear about it. Our analysis and levels are marked, so according to that we can definitely take trade. If you see market taking support on this level, then you can definitely long the market on the Monday. But if you see that market going down, then wait for the daily closing below that, and after that you can definitely short. And yeah, definitely intraday traders and the scalpers, for you guys, I have clearly marked these important levels. If you see breakdowns below them, then you can definitely trade, which on the 15-minute chart, 15,632 is important level marked by me, and 15,754 is important level marked by me. So according to that, you can take trade, and you can decide that whether market will be chasing support or resistance based upon the opening on the daily chart. Upon that, you can decide which way market will run, right? So I hope you are very much clear about it. And now I'm taking to the Nifty Bank. And if we move to the Nifty Bank, we will acknowledge that Nifty Bank is not made a completely clear indecision candle as Nifty 50, but yes, it is also kind of indecision candle in itself. So yeah, we are also anticipating that Bank Nifty is going to do a very similar movement as in line with the Nifty 50, because the Bank Nifty's support, that the important support of the Bank Nifty standing 400, has given us today closing about 400 points above that particular level, right? That level is the 34,680s, and today closing is near 35,000, so almost 4,000 points, 400 points, sorry, above the support level. So yeah, definitely Bank Nifty is above that. But if we see that Nifty 50 is breaking that level, that Bank Nifty will not take much time to break its own level of 34,680s. Then definitely Nifty Bank is not going to take much time, right? And accordingly, we can trade in the Bank Nifty as well. If we look at the weekly chart of the Bank Nifty, you'll acknowledge that Bank Nifty has not given us a bear confirmation as Nifty 50 has given. Similar pattern was made by the Nifty Bank also, but the confirmation was not given by the Nifty Bank, because closing, you can see, for this week is higher than the last week. But still you will acknowledge that this candle in itself is an indecision and reversal candle. So yeah, Bank Nifty has given us another week for the confirmation. Does not matter if Nifty 50 has given us a confirmation and follows that trend, then definitely we can take that trend seriously in the Nifty Bank as well, right? So there is no issue. Apart from that, the intraday traders and the scalpers, those who are waiting for the profits on daily movement, you can see today was not a good day for anyone. I don't think so. Scalpers, today was a good day for scalpers also in the Nifty Bank. But yeah, definitely we are waiting for a good momentum on the Monday. If market goes below then that level of 15,640 to 80s level, if Nifty 50 goes below that level, then we are expecting good momentum in both Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank. So watch out for that level. If that level happens to break out, then you can take a short trade. If not, then you can definitely go long and just wait for that level to come, right? That's the important level. And if that level comes, then accordingly you can take trade in the Bank Nifty as well. Apart from that, we have our own level marked in the Nifty Bank as well for the intraday and scalping. You can see 34,970 is a strong support on the 15-minute chart for the intraday and scalping. You can watch out for that. And 35,285 is the resistance right now for the prices. So accordingly you can take the trade, no issues with that. If you see the market, and definitely, yeah, where market will head will depend upon the opening. If opening is not too much gap up, then definitely market will try to chase that particular side where market opens, right? So I hope you are very much clear about that. So now let's talk about the two stocks that we had picked for the yesterday we picked for today's trading. So first stock is Hindalco. You'll remember, if you remember, that we had decided to take a momentum trade in the Hindalco. Okay, something is wrong. And I have told you guys to go long in Hindalco about 385, and you can see today high made by the Hindalco was 391.4. so yeah, almost a gain of more than 6 points, almost 7 points we can consider. So yeah, target was hit by the Hindalco today, and I hope you guys were able to book the profit. And the other stock was Tech Mahindra, which definitely has not given us a much movement. This stock was completely in a range and was going upside and downside like Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty. So but no problems, not much profit, not much loss in the Tech Mahindra. But definitely we are going to take another momentum trade, as we have seen indecision again on the closing in the Tech Mahindra. So we are going to take the trade again, because we are yet unsuccessful in taking a trade in the Tech Mahindra. So we are going to long the Tech Mahindra above we are going to short the Tech Mahindra below 1050, and we are going to go long in the Tech Mahindra above 1055, right? Above 1055 long, and above below 1050 we are going to short Tech Mahindra, and our target is going to be 1.5 to 2%, and our stop loss is going to be 1%. So I hope you are clear with it. And the second stock is Grasim. Grasim Industry is going to be our second stock that we are going to take trade in. As you can see, we are seeing an indecision in the Grasim Industries right here at the top, you can see, and Grasim you can see is standing above its support as well. So we are going to long in the Grasim above 1058. If that does not happen, then wait. If Grasim to fall for another 14 point, if that happens before 12 p.m, if market goes below 14.94 before 12 p.m, then you can short the Grasim, otherwise ignore the trade, right? And stop loss and target are going to be same. So I hope you are clear with everything and you are ready for taking trade for tomorrow, for Monday. So Thank you so much for watching this video till end, everyone. Please do like the video, share the video, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.